Let's record this last scenario. Okay. The basic logic of the program says that we need to create two variables. We need to take store the value result of that two variable inside of third variable. And after that, we need to check that. So for that, let's do. I will take a new file. After that, I will do create a class. Next, I will do the give the file name as a like we can give calculate. I will add public static void main. Click and finish.
Still, I'm stuck on the if and else.
You're stuck in the if and else?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, share your screen.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see. Let me check your
But
first
as
number.
I see,
Okay.
as I see, there is it's not coming in the cancel.
Cancel is not coming. Okay. Because you close the body of public main right in the line number 6. Just remove that line number 6 body. Yeah. Now remove line number 10 as well. In line number 10, you have one body. Opening body. Just remove that. Line number 10, yeah. Now it's good. Now come to the line number 20. Just close after line number 20. Give one closing bracket. Save the program and run it.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I'm done.
Okay, now let's proceed with our code. Now the logic says that, guys, we need to take two variables first of all. Katya do it in a other way. I will do it in another way so that you guys understand both ways, okay? And I will take first num1 equal to 10 and num2 equal to like 34. Now I will give the condition checker value as well and checkpoint. I will give it as a checkpoint equal to like I will give the checkpoint as a 20. Now we need to add num1 and num2 with each other. For adding num1 and num2 with each other, and I will take num1, I will store it in result. I will store it inside the result. Now next job is to do what? Num1 plus num2. It is totally fine till this point. Now my condition checking start from here. I will first of all, I will pass a beautiful message system.out.println so that the user can understand what I'm doing. Checking greater value. Values. This will be my heading message. After that, I will start run what? If I will tell them if the result result variable result is greater than my checkpoint, so print for me what? System.out.println print that result is greater. Now add a concatenation sign and pass the result variable. But if the result come less than the checkpoint, so we need to have a default case that will be else case for that. Else, just let me copy this, paste it right here. We will say that else checkpoint is greater. Checkpoint is greater. Checkpoint is greater. Now what will happen, guys? Let's compile it, dry run it. Dry run means let's compile it with our own. 10 plus 34 will be 44. Now condition will come here. It will check that inside result we have 44 value and in checkpoint we have 22. Is 44 greater than checkpoint greater than 20? Yeah, obviously it is greater. So for that, it will print system.out.println that result is greater, and it will display the result as well right here, that 44 is greater. But if what I add it as the, I do it like this, 10, and I will make this 3. If we add this 10 plus 3, here it will be 13. Is it possible that 13 inside result we stored 13? Is it possible that 13 is greater than checkpoint, which we have stored 20 inside checkpoint? No, this condition will fail. So when this condition fails, compile will come to the default case and it will execute this, that checkpoint is greater than this. So let's execute with our first case. So I'll add 10 plus 30. I will run this. Let me run it. You can see that checking greater value, result is greater, 44 number. But if I change this to 3, and if I save it, if I run it, now you can see that checkpoint is greater. It comes like this. This was the basic logic of the program. Katya was also do it in a right way. This is also a right way. Both are right. There is no wrong and right way in programming. So as for us, you can implement the logic, that's totally enough. Now you got the points, guys. This was the logic of the program. Excellent job, all of you. Now for those of you who didn't write, so they can write it from here. Let me only copy and paste this section in chat box for you. You can get it from the chat box. Okay, go ahead, Karim, share your screen. Excellent job, Sadaf. Okay, let me check. A, B,
There you go, sir.
F, C is greater than condition checker. C has this. Excellent job. Very good, Karim. You did it in a correct way also. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Okay, guys, we are done for today, class. I'm winding up here. So hope the class was interesting. Little bit bandwidth issue happened, so accept my apologize for that. It will not happen again. Sometimes it occurs. It's a internet problems. So is there any question, suggestion, any confusing point?
Teacher Furqan, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Masood.
Thank you so much. So while you had an issue with the bandwidth and you got disconnected, we talked, a few of our classmates, we talked together. We're looking forward to make a group for us to come up sometimes to practice together with each other.
Okay.
So we can ask questions each other, we can share screens to each other, we can teach each others, we can go and help each other as a team.
Yeah,
as
that
a
would be a
classmates.
great part. That will be a great thing that you do. If you guys create a group and practice with each other, that will be a great opportunity for all of you. Just go ahead, do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, teacher
Yes, sir.
Furqan. We are going to make a group because of the market preparation, and I have some material. Earlier I talked with Masujan, and then I believe he has